Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our ninth chapter is going on, that is money, in which we have completed exercise 9A also and 9B also. Yesterday we have started revision exercise and we are going through it. Question number 1, that was true false, we have done. I explained you each and every statement of that, and the answer also I have told you, so that you have to write in your copy. Today, question number 2 of the same revision exercise, I will explain you. That was your homework also for yesterday, and you all have done also. I knew it, and today I will re-explain that question, that how you have to do that in your copy. So children, that question also we will do today. You will do it in your copy, and we will start today worksheet also. So children, today I will explain that question number 2, in which we have to convert rupees into paise, and today also I will explain you worksheet that will also come in your examination. After that we will go through with the worksheet of chapter number 7, that was understanding fraction. So children, and after that we will start revision work. I will explain all the definitions once again and you will learn it. I will take the revision test for that in your class in a half an hours, in which we are going through maths class. So I will take revision for that, and then you will write the answers and you will send it for correction. So children, be prepared with your all the definitions and tables and exercises which you have done in your copy of exercise of chapter 7 understanding fraction on, and on of chapter 9 also, that is money. So these two chapters are going to come. So now let's start doing question number 2 of revision exercise, and then we will do worksheet. So children, let's start it. Children, I am going to explain you this question number 2 of revision test of chapter 9, which is given on page number 176. After that we will do a worksheet of the same chapter. So let's see. Convert the following as directed. Question number 2. We have to convert it as it is given in the question or as it is asked in the question. The first is rupees 25 is equal to dash paise. This is the question. So now we will convert 25 into paise, rupees 25 into paise. So how we are converting? We are multiplying 25 rupees with 100 paise, because there is 100 paise are there in 1 rupees. है ना? तो that's why we are multiplying 25 by 100. So 2500 paise. It means rupees 25 is equal to 2500 paise. Now here in question number B, rupees 28.75 paise is given. We have to convert it into paise. So what we will do, here rupees and paise both are given. So we have to only remove the point to convert it into paise. We have removed the dot here only, and 2875 paise is the answer. Question number C, same is done. Rupees 121.40 paise. So we have just removed the dot and 12140, it means 12,140 paise, or we can say 12140 paise is there. Again question number D is same, 64 rupees 80 paise. We have just removed the dot here and 6480 paise. Then question number E, 7590 paise is given. We have to convert it into rupees and paise. So here we are removing the point. Here we will put the point 75.90. So 75 is rupees and 90 is paise. In question number F, the same is done. 37 80 paise, 3780 paise is given. we will put one dot here in between 37 and 80, and 37 rupees and 80 paise are there. So this how we will do this question. Now let's see the worksheet which is given on page number 178. So here worksheet you can see, select the correct option. First question is, what is the amount given below? है ना, तो 500 rupees note is given, 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees coins are given. So 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 50, 650 and 2 tens will become 20. So 650 plus 20 is equal to 670 rupees. So what option is correct? Rupees 600, rupees 650 or rupees 670. So C option is correct, rupees 670. Question number 2. Neha has rupees 45 less than rupees 500. So she has how much rupees? So less than means what we will do? We will subtract 45 from 500. So what will come after subtracting 45 from 500? So it will come 455. So the options are 405 rupees, 455 rupees and 505 rupees. So option B is correct, rupees 455. Now third question is, 1 pen cost rupees 12, therefore 5 pens will cost. So what we will do? Cost of 1 pen is given and we have to take out the cost of 5 pens. So we will multiply 12 by 5 and 12 5s is 60. So rupees 40, rupees 60 and rupees 45 are the options, and rupees 60 option B is correct. So this is how we are done up to question number 3. Now from question number 4, what you have to do, I am going to explain you these questions. Your homework is, you will do these questions in your rough copy. I will only explain it. I will not give the solution because we have done all the exercises from this chapter and these questions are from that only. So you have to do it by yourself. I will only explain these questions. So first 4 question is, what is the sum of rupees 40 20 paise, rupees 5 25 paise and rupees 13 45 paise? So sum means, children, we have to add it. So what we will do, we will first arrange it in column of rupees and paise, then we will add it. What will be the answer? Answer will come rupees 58 90 paise. What you have to do, you have to do the full solution of this question. Only you have to add it. Then question number 5, subtract rupees 141 20 paise from 200 rupees. So again here subtract is written, so we will write 200 first because it is the large, it is greater than this amount 141 rupees. So we will first write 200.00 paise and then we will write 141.20 paise and then we will subtract it. So what will be the answer? Answer will come rupees 58.80 paise. So this question you will solve it. Then question number 6, Deepa bought a pencil box for rupees 50 45 paise and lunch box for rupees 199.40 paise. How much is her bill amount? Here also we have to take out the total amount, total bill. What she bought? She bought pencil box for itne rupees, 50 rupees and 45 paise and lunch box for rupees 199 and 40 paise. Then what you will do? You will write Deepa bought pencil box. Yeah, or you can write it, cost of a pencil box is rupees itna and cost of a lunch box is rupees this much. So cost of pencil box is rupees 50 rupees and 45 paise and cost of a lunch box is rupees 199.40 paise. Then total bill amount, you can write total bill amount is equal to, you will add these both the amount and what will be the answer come? 249 rupees 85 paise. So this is the answer. Then question number 7, Rohan bought some pastries from a bakery shop. He gave a 1,000 rupee note and got back rupees 143.50 paise as balance. Calculate his bill amount. So what you will write? Rohan bought pastries from a bakery shop. He gave ₹1000 note to the shopkeeper, है ना. And what balance he get back? He get back 143 rupees 50 paise. To calculate his bill amount, what you will do? You will subtract 143 rupees 50 paise from 1000 rupees. So this will come 856 rupees 50 paise. So children, your today's homework is you will solve question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 from this worksheet of chapter number 9, which is given on page number 178. Tomorrow you have to send the pictures of your homework of question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Clear children? Do it carefully. If you will have any problem regarding these questions, then you can ask me on group. Now tomorrow we will do the same question number 8, 9, 10. I will explain you and you have to do it. Thank you and have a nice day children.